Yo, Colin, I'm pretty sure you can hear me now, right? I see you drop that emoji on me. I was telling you to drop it last time, but I'm like, man, I'm not getting a response from Colin. What's going on here? But we're back at it. Voice should be coming in 100% by now, of course. Just waiting for it to load up. Sorry about last stream, guys. OBS tends to be on some BS, should I say. Make sure the vet levels are. Yep, mic is working wonderful. Um, Shout out Angel. Yeah, Angel, I think you dropped the GR on me, right? We finna go over that. Sorry about that, guys. Shout out to Just No Bones. He back in the building like he never left. Now, yeah, guys, if you were a part of the Discord, I did load up at $14 today. I did tell someone DM'd me early this morning. What's it? Major buy alerts? What is it at? OB alerts, guys. Yeah. And I told that person to actually load up at 12:50 today, and I didn't even take my own advice. Honestly, guys, right here, I loaded up the last minute of pre-market. It was looking as though that the stock was going to make a shift, and it actually did, but it was to the downside, and I was banking on the chances of to the upside, but I still have confidence in this play, guys. I loaded up here at $14 even right before the open. We did hit that 1547, guys, but we are coming to a slowdown in volume. GGR. Volume is slowing down tremendously here, guys, as you can see here, but it is still holding up, so that is a great sign. Turnover rate is 3.79 currently. This thing still looks as though we have another chance next week, but I do believe that, not next week, tomorrow to beat today's high, but I don't think we will be passing that 1547. It's like a 60-40% chance we pass it on today's trading. There was some other stuff I was saying in the first live stream, guys, that I don't think I will be able to top that. I was just going. We got 27 people currently watching. How many thumbs up we got, guys? Any other plays out there you guys want me to look at? GGR, like I said, $14 was my load up. I forgot who. SBEV. Yeah, I'm still bullish on SBEV, Carla. PT today. I think we did hit today's high on the PT if the volume continues to stay where it's at, slow. But if another volume rush runs into GGR, we will be breaking that 1547 today. Love you. Love you too.
I'm about to go back to the laundromat with the stuff. Analyse. I got you some socks, some basketball shorts, and some t-shirts.
Thank you. BBIG, we'll check that out here. We're gonna look at Mullen. Will Mullen ever run again? I'm not too worried about. I'm really just focused on Mullen's catalyst ahead. That Q2 results. I'm not really worried about um anything besides that. Really, I'm looking at the long. When you're long term on the stock, you really don't. You look for catalyst and what the company is actually doing behind the scenes. So today's PA for Mullen doesn't concern me. In fact, the last 5 days of trading doesn't concern me. Coming from that $4.18 doesn't concern me. In fact, it makes me kind of happy that I can load up under $4. Hopefully under. I think Mullen may be seeing those $3 levels here next week. I think this thing can continue to see. We may be dropping sub 30 here in Mullen before the reversal. We got some nice support at 220. We're looking at, yeah, we got some great support at 220. Huge support at 220. Yeah, Mullen is a golden stock, guys. A great buying, a great opportunity this early. And I'm surprised that the thing didn't shoot past 418 and continue to just keep climbing. Just off the retail investor interest alone, guys. This is an AMC move that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? But with this huge retail investor interest here in Mullen, guys, this thing can start trading beyond its fundamentals. So you want to get the stock under $3. If you can snag under 250, but I'll hold off to 220 for those that is waiting to enter Mullen. Okay, let's take a look at ADN. Heading back towards my entry here today. I got in at 341, guys. Um, Quite late in the run up, if you ask me. But I only went in and bought 100 shares, not much. We were hoping to see $4.10 here on today's trading. I will just break even. I'll give myself a break even chance here on this thing, guys. With just only 100 shares. Not too much to get crazy about here in ADM, but 398 may be our high on today's trading, especially if we see any large-scale outflow orders being triggered here anytime soon. That can drop us past 345 alone. I'm going to check it out, Bones. And bad news on Mullen dropping the share price. Check out the other phone. Yeah, what bad news? I'm trying to figure that out, David. Bones says NRSN has potential. What's a great entry on this stock, Bones? And it's all good. We come across days like this in the market all the time. You look at that looking so good. With all three major indexes down, we do see a lot of decliners. We see more decliners than advancers all across the board on all three ranges. We do okay. The one thing I want you guys to take into consideration is SBEV. I'm still bullish on SBEV, by the way. As you can see here, the recent low here coming in at 236. We didn't even go sub 245 today, guys. SBEV is still a buy, and it's still in the load up position. If you can steal some shares under 236, guys, I would do so. But this thing can be making a shift here pretty soon. That can be to the downside or to the upside. And I'm talking drastically. Only thing that this thing is missing is the volume, but all it's going to take is some slight news, a great earnings report, or even that merger news that we were hoping on here a while back. You know what we need to take a look at, guys? SEAC. SEAC here coming in at that closed here, low here, $1.02 low on the 8th. SEAC may be falling sub $1.10 levels here. The lowest we went in quite some time was $1.02, but we haven't broke those dollar levels at all after going past $1 here in SEAC. Keep your eyes out on this thing, guys. It is approaching load up levels. Estimated borrow fee is not too high, only 6.9%. Anyone in SBEV currently? Yeah, Mullen ain't. If you think about it, overall, 4%. I don't call it. Guys, stocks just doesn't only go up. People do take profit. 3-minute chart here. That's not a bad day so far. Not a bad day at all, guys. We did drop 220, but that was brief, very brief. But overall, still hold nice support levels. Trading along the VWAP. Nothing to complain here. Entry 70 cent, guys. Nothing to complain here. We're long on it. Turnover rate is only 24.26. When have Mullen ever been this low? This thing is about to make a shift, and I'm glad I'm here. I'm in SBEV. Naomi's in. Guilty is in at 236. Colin sold off 50% of his position here. While it's just sitting there, you can find better plays that's going to give you a bigger and quicker return within that time frame. So it's always best to do that, guys. But you just want to keep these things in your watch list. All right, you just want to keep it in your watch list. Everyone's concerned about the 1K to 100K challenge, guys. Listen, I'm not trying to burn anyone's account during a volatile market like this. Things like this doesn't last long or anything, guys, but we have this red cloud over us for 3 trading days with huge volatile swings in stocks. We're looking for that stock that's going to shoot up maybe 100% within 4 days of trading, giving us 20 here, 30 here, and stuff like that, guys. It gives everyone an opportunity to actually buy in. We don't want to call a 1K to 100K play where we only have 15 minutes tops to enter that stock, which was called in the pre-market 4 a.m. A lot of people are going to wake up in awe at that call, guys. So I just want to make sure we make the right one, because you got to think about it, guys. The 1K to 100K challenge is all in bets every time you buying into a security. So things can go south relatively quickly. We got 22 thumbs up and currently 30 people watching, guys. If you are in the stream and you haven't hit the thumbs up yet, can you please do so? I know the first one really did mess up our numbers due to the fact that this live stream, YouTube isn't sending out alerts for it. They only give me 1 alert video a day. That's why we have 2 YouTube channels, guys. So that's why a lot of you guys tend to miss the videos when it comes out, because YouTube is on some Huckleberry Finn with me. Now let's check out TMC, the metals company. Industrial style stock, and this thing is holding. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. A day filled with opportunity, and that's for sure. Going 220 sub relatively quickly. Doing that twice for a great buy-in time. Day trades heaven today. So far, turnover rate is extremely low, only 1.83, but the volume is there in comparison to the average day chart. Though, looking here at the Young Mondays trading, only 9 million in volume. Day before that, 13, 10, 30. We're seeing a volume slowdown, but it looks like we will be passing the average today. Look at MF. I'll check it out, Naomi. Because I didn't get alerted when you fixed it. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Willie crazy for that one. Obi, what are your thoughts on using leverage short ETFs? Any benefit to those as a strategy on how to use and how to use? Well, one thing I don't suggest is to leverage yourself on short positions. I mean, things can get very wild with that quickly. I don't suggest it at all. You got to be very seasoned, should I say, and a lot of time on your hands. You got to be dedicated. Even a full-time trader can get it done, but look at MF. I'm just reading the comments, guys. She said MF. MF. Nice find, Naomi. Nice find. 90 cent was the 52-week low. In the last 4 days, we do see nice buying pressure. Volume picks up and even greater today. Let's check out last 5 days, though. A back and forth day. We do see profit taking being done on the large scale orders today, which actually retraced from its peak at $1.95. Let's go in and see here the 3-minute chart. Volume. We do see those volume surges. Large scale orders engaging. Trading slightly under the VWAP. Volume slowdown. I'm seeing a lot of stocks volume slowdown around this time. Is Biden speaking or something right now, guys? Biden must be at I don't know, guys. You know, anytime this guy wakes up in the morning, the stock market is just all over the place. SBFM, we're going to look over that. Let me check it out. Is this that Mickey? Ficky? Swing cycle around those levels here. Yep, multiple. Let's check out. Anyone still holding? We see this 0.15 outpacing right now. That level 2 is moving. Level 2 looking extremely bullish. 640. 640 in store for us. We hit 639. It looks like we hitting the 640 here, guys. 640 hit. 640 is hit, guys. I'm telling you, 640 is hit. We hit this 690, 639 already in the pre-market. 640 hit easy. You see profit taking going on a little bit slightly. Why is they doing that? Guys, do you not want the stock to rise? Such D-bags. Looking here at the turnover rate, man, extremely high. Fed talks at 2. Shout out to Colin for dropping that one on us. That is why we're seeing this volume slow up in industrial stocks. 650. 650. What we're looking at here, guys, P8. I'm showing the 654 at its peak. 665. Uh-oh. Let's go to the 1E. Well, gotta plug her in. Oops. Yeah, you see this volume surge though? At the bottom of the chart. Volume surge. volume surge, guys. You might want to day trade this really quickly. Just run off with 3 to 5% in and out. Oh my God. Come on, fellas. It's anybody taking the bait. I hate how Weeble makes me freaking. Well, it's showing 692. Damn. Higher than that. It looks safe at 692. 691. Come on, guys. 696. 696. Yeah, man. Guys, if you don't know, now you know. I'm not even looking. Let me check out the live chat. Yeah, Willie, we alerted this yesterday, buddy. I'm pretty sure. Or was it a video? I forgot. I don't think it was a video. Hard to borrow rate. We're going to check it out on BBAI. Real, check that out. 723. Wow. We saw it rising at 640. How much? What is that? Can't really. Uh-oh. Let's see what. Who? Yep. Large scale orders picking up. Darn it. But that ain't too bad. It should Let me see here. Let me see here, guys. And here they go. Got me. Alright, that's sufficient right there. God dang. 725. 725, huh? That's gonna be a wall to jump. 725. 726. 725 is the next stop. If we break the 725, we can hit 725. We can break that this next round. We may be seeing $7.40. We break this 725. Colin, you good, man? You straight? Straight. Did we? What we just hit here this moment? 6714, huh? Ader update. We'll check out the Ader XPON update. I got you guys. And you know it. And you know it. XPON. Another low today. 579. Thoughts on XPON. The volume is steady creeping lower and lower, guys. We just wait for that volume shift. That's when we're going to actually load the boat. Extreme. Just so we can put ourselves in a break-even situation. Because I'm starting to, what should I say, have slight doubts. It's not fitting my time frame. Let's put it that way. Yo, Kyle's in the building. What's poppin', Kyle? Easton want to check out Ader. Easton wanted to check out Ader. Ader might be headed back towards $2.88 for anyone that is looking for a entry. If we come towards those levels and we see some stagnant trading, then that's a great sign that we may be bouncing off that support level. About to pop back up to 90%. ADN, yeah, I got an ADN today, guys. Hopped in today, right when I was setting up the live stream. 341 is my cost average. We did get back close towards those levels, but I did buy at the wrong time, if you ask me. All right, guys, I'm back. Yeah, I was trying to sell here at the 410. We hit the 398 and dropped. We did see those large scale orders being engaged in favoring the outflow. I'm getting kind of scared here, guys. I'm getting kind of scared here. But like I said, man, I'm willing to just break even on this play. I only grabbed 100 shares. Not a huge position at all. Oh, BBAI. BBAI. Let's check it out. BBAI. My bad, Bones. Ah. Ooh. Big Bear AI hold. All right, let's take a look here. Now this looked like some news had to go on for this to happen. No, not even. Volume spike like crazy. Bones, is it any news that Weeble isn't showing me? God damn! Excuse my French. 461.15% estimated borrow fee. Let me check out the day chart. Why so high? This kind of looked like Dave back in the day. You remember when Dave dropped and it bounced? Bones, I think that was your call, in fact. Freaking wow. Let me look at SI on this thing, man. Not crazy though. Unless why is it last reported 2021? So they don't even have the SI data. Well, Weeble doesn't. Till rate. I haven't seen any. Okay. I mean, if you look at it though, what price the open here was? Man, I don't know. Looking at that estimated borrow fee, it's so high. Free float is 54, 3 million. Free float isn't that high though. Can be a major player in the fact. Let's check institutional holdings here. 32.79% is owned by institutions currently, so that plays in a big factor, especially this run up here. But we may be seeing them cover here pretty soon, guys. Anyone that did, it's a great chance that they will at that high estimated borrow fee. We're seeing the stock actually retrace here. They may take this opportunity to cover, which can cause this stock to actually see a reversal to the upside, but it's hard to say that right now because we do not know how high the SI is right now, the SI ratio right now. So Weeble not telling me much. If you could let me know that Bones, you still a bullish on SB? Oh, that's a oh. SBFM to 12 bucks. Yo, what you say, Willie? Willie said, ha 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 ha. Another eye on it, huh, Willie? Ampy. We gotta talk about Ampy, guys, because like I was telling you guys, this is going to be the next energy stock to be in. We did see the other energy stocks take a huge dive. Ampy also took a dive, but not as wild. Not as wild. Some wicked retracement. A wicked retracement on this one. Opening here at the 264. Hit the high briefly at the 275 and just dropped. That's just looking at that. That's what it sounds showing me. Not even looking at the chart. I would assume that. And pre-market rally. How much volume on average? Only 119. Is pre-market 6 correct? Yep. We're on the 3-minute chart. So that 3 minutes won't beat the average out. 64 million, 3.42. Strange though. Free float is only 3.42 million here. Shares outstanding 6.54. Huge room to dilute. Estimated borrow fee right now 400. Wow, that is quite extreme as well. Turnover rate is outrageous. Huge profit taken done at this peak. I mean, supply and demand can rise this stock alone with only a 3.42 million. Here, I want to say by its peak, guys, we've probably seen over 20 million in volume just in the pre-market alone for a stock that free floats is only 3.42 million. Huge. That can push the stock up quickly just off of supply and demand alone. Yo, I'm doing a live stream. I'll hit you back. One of my colleague YouTubers, the B Hayes Show. In case you guys not familiar with this channel, you guys can go check that out. Yeah, guys, this got my interest. I'm interested in this here. Any other players, guys? I'm pop. Look at this after the live stream. Maybe scalping this on the way down. Currently on today's live stream, 56 people are watching. Shout out to everyone that is still here. And I want to thank everyone that did leave a thumbs up on this video. We do have 38 thumbs up, guys. I know we can do better than that. So if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on it. And also, if you did forget, you can do so now. Shout out to Peep TKAT. Yeah, I had to put this one in the OB alerts, guys. I gotta get on that before 1 p.m. for sure. TKAT. Solid day, if you ask me, man. And we don't see an overall downtrend. Well, we just here midday, but you never know how things can turn around here. But still looking good. Stagnant trading these last four. Still trading in the same ranges for the last 3 days of trading. Not so much as the close on the last 3 days of trading, but you know, throughout the trading day, been trading around the same level, so we call that a stagnant day. SBFM. Yo, guys, really want me to check that out again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, guys, it is looking good for us. Was this? You see that profit taking being done at its peak. Scarce levels is back down towards the 640 here by close. Hey, Obi, thanks for all your help making easy money. What are your thoughts on AEI? I got you here in a second, Sean. I just want to see what levels the PA on SBFM currently. I knew we was going to break these support levels with these, but 640. We'll come back to it. My boy wants to talk about we shall see, Kyle. We shall see. I mean, it does. The market is set up for that, though. You right about that. Yo, Derek hitting hard on them HD puts. Now, yeah, Derek hitting hard on the HD puts, guys. Check him out. We're going to check out AEI, though. Uh-huh. Give me a scenario. Give me a scenario. Cost average, time frame. Cost average and time frame. What we looking at? Give me a cost average, Sean. Give me a time frame on how long you plan on holding this said position, and I could probably give you slight insight on it. On what do I think will be in store for that time frame we're talking. How long have we been running this one? Yes, 37 minutes. So we got 8 minutes left. Let's make this 8-minute count, guys. All right, from show of hands, though, guys, I got a question. If you only had to pick one stock all in today at today's prices, what would you buy? It could be stocks we spoke about, stocks we haven't ever heard of. Oh, yeah, I'll get rid of this one. What's your cost average, really, though? I mean, yeah, I'll get rid of this thing. Seeing volume is slowing down sideways day from now. My Tyree say Mullen, guys. One Eye Willie say Mullen. Mullen, BBIG for April. Kyle going with Mullen and BBIG. I mean, I'm leaning towards Mullen, especially if we're looking for long-term gains like Warren Buffett and Coca-Cola type of ordeal. Well, Mullen at this price is it. Still in on AVTX. No, I am not. It's been quite some time. Yeah, we took the L on this one. Shout out to Tron Ellis. Anyone seen what a Mullen car looks like? Honestly, I'm gonna keep it 55th Street. No, I haven't seen a Mullen car. Nope. I did see a Rivian though. I seen a Rivian roll past my house before it hit the exchange. I mean, hey, some companies with an actual product on the road doing worse than companies that's in development, as far as their stuff. Share price, crib, man. Some folks say Mullen will never ship a car. Listen, Mullen is on the NASDAQ, one of the most strict guidelined uh exchanges out there, guys. I don't think Mullen is on any type of fuckery, should I say. Now if they was over there in New York Stock Exchange, that'd be a little bit different. But we comfortably sitting at the NASDAQ, man. You know you gotta jump through hoops to even be listed on the NASDAQ. So the five looks fine. Yes, sir. I'd go all in on BBIG. Hey, Obi, still in ENSV with 2,500 shares. Cost average is 233. Let's check it out. See, that's what I want to see, guys. Give me a cost average so I can actually, you know, a cost average. Wow. What the fuck? I put the wrong thing in. All right, let's check it out. Cost average we see here today. Bernie Madoff was the NASDAQ chairman. Nigga, that was a personal thing. Bernie himself. I don't think that was a NASDAQ board of directors. You know. Mullen 5 is comparable with Lamborghini Jeep. And really, the buying and selling. The acquisition by Amazon and another large company, they will have no choice but to deliver or get sued by Amazon. If a company put in a huge order for these said trucks and they don't deliver, then that's a lawsuit on their hands. But I'm not sure about that Amazon and Rivian deal, but I think it was just a. Yeah, one thing about oil, guys, it really got with them actually tapping into reserves. That can cool it down for now, but it ain't gonna cool it down for long because those reserves later has to be filled at a country's expense with no budget. So we should see it rise again. Look here at Lucid long term. I see big EV squeeze coming in the next few months. And my phone just died. Which means, well, we got 1 minute left anyway, guys. I will be doing an update here on our major buy alerts today. And let's check out. Yeah, pushing a little bit. M Fresh. This was the one I wanted to check out as well for later. For later uses. Now, guys, if I want to just thank you for coming out to watch the live stream. Like I said, we will be trying to do this more often. Try to knock out one Monday through Friday. So if that interests you guys, make sure you have all post notifications set to all So you will be alerted anytime I go live for future references. So with that being said, may the gains be with you all.